Let me know, does this ever happen to you? You take a photograph, you go into Luminar AI, and you look at all the possibilities. On this photo, for example, let's say that we want to replace this sky. So we'll come over to Sky AI. We'll choose the sky, let's say Blue Sky 5. And it changes, but then you notice there's a problem. You have clouds that are below the horizon line. Okay, so what do? Is that horizon blending or horizon position? Let's say that we take this up to about 20. Hey, that's wonderful. Everything matches on the horizon now. But what are these other things? What happens if I relight the scene? What does sky global mean? What do I do? Do I want to defocus the sky because my background is out of focus? Should I defocus the sky as well? Maybe, maybe not. Can I change the temperature? Sure, you can do all those things. But then that's just one tool. Then maybe you go down to the next one. Atmosphere. Do I want atmosphere? Do I want fog or layered fog? What's the difference? If I bring this up, ooh, that's kind of nice. What else can I do? Let's put some sun rays in. That always seems good. Let's check this. We'll place the sun. We'll put it over here. And what amount do I want? Do I want this much or this much? I don't know. We'll take a look and we'll make a decision. What's the overall look? We can try and play with that. And what happens is you end up playing with all of these sliders, trying to figure out what they mean. And you look at some of them like penetration. What in the world does penetration mean as far as sun rays are concerned? Well, there's a way to find out. Hi, my name is William Beem. I'm a photographer in Central Florida, and I created a course called Luminar AI Elements. Essentially, this is a course that teaches you everything inside of Luminar AI. We go through how to install and how to use every single tool, every option, every slider. Let me give you a quick tour. This is the page, and it's williambeem.com/courses/Luminar AI Elements. And I'll put this link in the description below. As you can see here, you can go down and see the little description. And this is what you see before you purchase. If you've already purchased, you can go ahead and start the course. If not, it'll show you what's available inside the course. And of course, I've got a way here where you can actually get this course for free if you want to. We'll discuss that in just a moment. So it's really easy to get started and to enroll. And I have a little bit of information here for who is Luminar AI Elements for, who shouldn't get it. And you can take a look at that. And there's a way to get the course for free. It's very simple. Here's all you have to do to get Luminar AI Elements for free. First thing, click the button to visit Skylum. You can use my affiliate link right here, and you can go to Skylum sales page. Once you get there, select the package that you want. Skylum offers a few different packages. Make sure you apply the promo code BEAM, just like my last name. That will save you $10 on your order. Once that's complete, send me a copy of your receipt to verify the purchase. You can send a copy to support@williambeem.com. Once I verify your purchase, I'll grant you access to Luminar AI Elements for free. But if you didn't buy it from me, that's okay. You can still get access to the course. And if you want to know what's inside the course, this is the course content. It will show you everything. So you can see that there are 13 lessons and 37 topics. The difference is some of these lessons have a drop down and then there are topics underneath. So if you want to know about getting started, it's all right here. And I've separated these videos out so that way when you want to get to something, perhaps to use it as a reference later on, you don't have to wade through a lot of stuff. You can just go directly to the lesson or the topic that you want. You can see your activity here. This one I haven't started, 0% complete. So we can go ahead and start the course. Once you're inside, there are a few other benefits. So for example, we were talking about under creative, we were looking at sun rays and wondering, what does some of these tools do? So we can go ahead in here and we'll start the video player. What are the things you may want to do with your phone? Let me stop that. And you notice there is a magnifying glass over here. If you want to know what penetration is, type in penetration. Not only do you have a transcript here, but if you know a word or a tool that you want to search for, just type it in, click one of the blue hyperlinks. Right. Close this. The penetration is kind of the width of these various sun rays. The search will take you directly to the part that you want to know. So you can use this as a reference later. You say, I haven't used sun rays in a while. I forgot what penetration means. Just go there, search for it, and it'll come up right to the spot that you need in any of these videos on any of the tools and their little configuration items and subtopics. So it's pretty easy to use. And of course, you can control this the way you want to. You can go into a dark mode if you prefer that. You can maximize, so you get rid of this menu over here. And of course, you can just kind of show or hide the overall menu for the site. So it goes through, like I said, every single tool that we have inside of Luminar AI. It's very easy to use, and you can get right to the part that you want. You can also download either the audio, if you just want to listen to a lesson. You can download the transcription in 3 different formats. So there's a way that you can kind of take some of this on the go with you. And you can change the player speed. You can maximize to go into full screen mode. And you can kind of move ahead 5 seconds at a time. And of course, you can just go ahead and restart if you need to begin all over again. And you can mark your favorite lessons so that way they're easy to find and come back to. This is Luminar AI Elements. It is a course that I have on my site at williambeem.com, and I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions about it, please leave me a comment below, or you can write to support@williambeem.com and ask me any questions you want to. Thanks. Hope you enjoy it.